Hello everyone. Today we solve this type of problem. KQ is equal to 27 by 8. Then find the value of K. Solution. How to solve it? Let's check. KQ is equal to 27 by 8. Then KQ is equal to 27 is 3 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 3. 8 is because 3 is multiplied into 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3 it is 27. Then also same thing 2 is multiplied into 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2 it is 8. Then KQ is equal to 3 by 2 whole to the power 3. Yes, 3 by 2 whole to the power 3. Then KQ minus 3 by 2 whole to the power q is equal to 0. We put an algebraic formula is here AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. We put this formula on here. Then K is A, 3 by 2 is B. It is K minus 3 by 2 into K square plus K into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 square. Yes. Then the next step is K is equal to 0. K minus 3 by 2 into K square plus 3 by 2K plus 9 by 4 is equal to 0. Yes, then we know that 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Then the another one is K square plus 3 by 2K plus 9 by 4 is equal to 0. Here one value of K we find out. K is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, we find out one value of K. Then the next step is here we solve this one. It is one algebraic equation. Yes, in quadratic equation. It is which formula we apply? We apply here one formula. We know ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In the decreminant is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes, we apply here a is equal to what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 by 2 and c is equal to 9 by 4. Yes, then k is equal to minus b means minus 3 by 2 plus minus root over of 3 by 2 square minus 4 into a into b divided by 2 into 1. Yes. Then the next step is k is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus minus root over of 3 by 2 square. It is 9 by 4 minus 4 1 jar 4 1 jar is cancelled. Then 9 divided by 2. Yes, then the next step is k is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus minus root over of 4 is LCM 9 minus 9 into 4 divided by 2. Yes, then the next step is what? Minus 3 by 2 plus minus root over of 9 minus 36 divided by 4 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus minus 9 minus 36. It is what? Minus 27 divided by 4 whole divided by 2. Yes. What is minus 3 by 2 plus minus root over of minus 27 by 4 all divided by 2. This is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus minus here 9 into 3 minus 1 divided by 4 whole divided by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus minus root over of 9. It is what? 3. Then root 3 minus 1 in complex number it is I divided by 4 root over divided by 2. Yes, because we know that A by B root over is equal to root over of A divided by root over of B. Yes, we apply on here. This is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus minus 3 root 3 I divided by 2 whole divided by 2. In LCM it is take out 2 minus 3 plus minus 3 root 3 I divided by whole divided by 2. Yes, this is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 root 3 I divided by 2 into 2 is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 root 3 I divided by 4. We find out the values of k. Yes, this is one value and one value is 3 by 2. Then the values of k is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 root 3 I divided by 4, one value of k, and the another value of k is what? K is equal to 3 by 2. We find out k is equal to 3 by 2. This is one value and this is the another value. Yes, what is the question? The question is KQ is equal to 27 by 8. Then find the value of k. This is the two values of k. Minus 3 plus minus 3 root 3 I divided by 4. One values and the another value is k is equal to 3 by 2. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of video. Thank you.